On today's menu, some nice buns you'll definitely want to make today. Delicious mushroom melt burger. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. You're in for a real treat because who doesn't love an amazing burger? This is super easy to make, absolutely delicious. Let's begin. Food processor. Two cups rolled oats. I'm using some gluten-free oats today, but you can use regular ones or gluten-free. They both will work, it's up to you. Blend the oats for a few seconds. Grams cremini mushrooms. Roughly chop half of a red onion. One cup canned black beans. Quarter cup corn. Half of a green bell pepper. One large cooked beet. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, pepper, drizzle of olive oil. Blend in the food processor for about 45 seconds. Transfer the mixture to a mixing bowl. Cut a sheet of parchment paper into 6 squares, about 4 by 4 inches. Right, so this burger mixture is actually very sticky, so we're going to oil our hands up with a little bit of olive oil, and if it becomes a little bit too sticky to your hands, just add a little bit more olive oil to your hands. Try not to overshape them because they will just get super sticky. Continue to oil your hands, shape the patties, and place them on the parchment paper.
refrigerate the patties for 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. This will help it firm up.
So while we wait for the burgers to firm up, we're going to slice some shiitake mushrooms, give them a little saute, and melt some cheese. Now, in this episode, I'm using the Violife cheese that's already sliced. It's quite delicious. Not sponsored by this brand, but I really do like their product.
200 grams fresh shiitake mushrooms, finely sliced. Non-stick pan, medium heat. Toast the buns for about 30 seconds on each side. Set the buns aside. Drizzle in some olive oil. Saute the mushrooms for 4 to 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Set the mushrooms aside.
Once the burger patties have firmed up, they're a lot easier to work with.
Add in another small drizzle of olive oil. Add in the patties and cook for about 3 minutes. Carefully flip the patties. Place a slice of cheese on the patties. Place some of the shiitake mushrooms on the cheese. Cover and melt the cheese for about a minute.
This is a delicious chickpea mayonnaise, really nice and thick. I made it in a previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check out how to make this at home.
Combine some mayo and wasabi to taste. Spread some wasabi mayo onto the bun. Couple leaves, lettuce, burger patty, top with some red onion, and you're done. You can now enjoy this delicious burger with absolute confidence.
Honestly, burgers are probably one of the best things ever. Look at that. Man, that is just delicious. So packed with flavor. Visually, it's beautiful. It has some really nice colors, the green, the red onion, the shiitake mushrooms, and the black bean burger has this really, really nice, it just sears really well, and it really creates that dark, almost sort of a burnt sear on the outside, and it really stays together. Definitely does not fall apart at all. Flavor-wise, it's really meaty. Has the mushrooms, the cremini mushrooms that we blended up with the black beans, and the BEET actually is what gives it that sort of slight pink color. Incredibly delicious with the different aromatics with the spices, topped with the sauteed mushrooms. The shiitake mushrooms just adds that kind of delicious umami flavor, added with the melted cheese. Really delicious. Just want to show you a little bit of that delicious patty on the inside. I mean, look at that. Definitely have to toast the buns beforehand. Gives you that really nice charred taste and the crispy kind of bun texture as well. Really, really delicious, beautiful visuals, and really easy to put together. I don't know about you, but I can totally eat this every single day. That is just delicious. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Be sure to pick up your free ebook that I put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. I'll leave a link here or a link in the description box below where you can download that. Plus, in that same link, you can also watch the entire first class of the new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that masterclass is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make delicious and stunning sushi right at home. That is the masterclass you'll really eat up. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.